Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. So today I'm going to show you how I make my peanut butter protein balls. No baking required. Anything you don't have to bake is amazing, right? But these are a great source of energy. You don't have to get up early in the morning, cook breakfast. You just prepare these at night. In the morning, just pack them and go. They give you the energy you need throughout the day, and fast and easy. Alright, you guys, so all you need is 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 chocolate chips, a half a cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of oats, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these, you guys. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, so we're going to mix everything together. First, I'm going to put my oats in here. I'm going to put my peanut butter. Then I'm going to put my chocolate chips. I'm going to put my tablespoon of honey. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of vanilla. That's how easy it is, you guys. And I'm going to mix this all together. Alright, you guys, mixed it all together. Now I'm going to wrap it. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Put my timer on for 45 minutes. So that way it can harden and be less sticky. Alright, you guys, it's been 45 minutes. See, it's hard, but it's not sticky. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna roll these up into balls. You can roll them up any size you want. You want them big or small? It's really up to you. But yeah, guys, so these are my peanut butter protein energy balls. Great for snacking, on the go. Make them at night. That way in the morning you could just pack them and go. Only has 5 ingredients. Really easy. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Remember, guys, to refrigerate your leftovers. You can add coconut, flax seeds, chia seeds,